Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set off security two-step verification on WhatsApp. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you have to do is just move on WhatsApp, and here is the two-step verification set on. If you want to turn off two-step verification, you have to confirm your PIN at first. Okay, here, and here is your WhatsApp. So click on this three dot, then here you have to click on setting, then here click on account. Here is the two-step verification, so click on it. Okay, it's so easy to make it disable or turn off two-step verification. Okay, turn off security two-step verification, so click on disable, and here is the disable option, so click on it, and here the two-step verification has been set off. Okay, so you can turn off security two-step verification on WhatsApp like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.